In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Copilot in Word to search, summarize, and simplify your documents. We'll start by opening the Copilot pane. In Word, look for the Copilot icon and click it to open the panel on the side. If you prefer a shortcut, press Windows plus C to bring up Copilot quickly. Once the pane is visible, you're ready to talk to it in plain, natural language. To get an overview of a document, try a simple prompt like, "Summarize this doc." Copilot will scan the content and give you a concise summary. If you need a particular angle, guide it. For example, say, "Summarize this doc focusing on timelines and budget," or "Summarize in 2 short paragraphs for a project update." The clearer your intent, the better the result. Copilot is also great for searching within a document by asking questions about the content. Instead of scrolling, ask, "What are the main benefits of the new plan?" or "Where do we discuss the risks?" You can narrow things down further by adding context, like "Answer based on the executive summary only," or "List the key points mentioned in the conclusion." If the answer feels too broad, follow up with "Shorten that to 3 key points," or "Give me examples mentioned in the doc." Keep refining until it matches what you need. When you want to improve clarity, select the text you're working on and ask Copilot to simplify or rephrase it. You could say, "Simplify this for a general audience." "Rephrase this to sound more professional," or "Make this more concise while keeping technical terms." If tone matters, specify it, like friendly, formal, or neutral. If length matters, say how long you want it. You can even tell Copilot what to protect, such as keep product names and numbers unchanged. Guidance is the secret to great results. Be specific about your goal, your audience, and what you care about most. Clarity, tone, length, or structure. If Copilot's first attempt isn't quite right, think of it as a draft and ask for changes. Try use shorter sentences, keep the original meaning, or add a brief transition to improve flow. To wrap up, open the Copilot pane, use clear prompts for summaries, ask targeted questions to find what you need, and select text when you want to simplify or rephrase it. With precise instructions, Copilot becomes a fast, reliable helper that keeps your work accurate and easy to read.